Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Move forward 16 cm. Shift it 14 cm to the left. Turn right 75 degrees. Then take a big step forward. Do a push-up and finally say hello to everyone and introduce yourself.
Let's go. Shift it to the left. Ready to turn right. Watch me stride ahead. Hello everyone, I'm Yahboom, a Hexapod robot, and my English name is Muto. Nice to meet you all.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Tracking objects above buildings.
A green apple has been found. Its location has been locked.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Tracking the blue cylinder.
I'm here to track it.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Sing a song based on the signs in front of you, accompanied by graceful dance moves.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
What is the object close to you? Please keep a safe distance of 0.8 meters from it.
The closest one is a brown reindeer plush toy, about 0.7 meters away. I need to step back to keep a safe distance. Step back a little further to keep a safe distance.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Could you please help me find the correct answer to this question?
The answer is B, because diagram B shows the weight being supported by two ropes, so the pulling force required is only half, making it easier to lift.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Follow the blue line in front of you.
Let's go. Follow the blue line.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Change to follow the right line in front of you.
Follow the red line.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Navigate to the school, then go to the park, and finally go to the fruit store to buy fruit.
Okay, we'll go now. There are many buildings, students, and a small yellow car in school. I'm on my way to the park. There are many small animals and green plants in the park. I'm on my way to the fruit store to buy fruit. I saw apples, star fruits, and peaches at the fruit store. Let's enjoy them together.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
I'm going to teach you a dance move now. After you learn it, perform it for me twice.
I'm ready to learn a new dance. I've learned it. Now I'll perform it for you twice. Let's dance again.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Describe what you have seen.
I saw Doraemon, a garbage truck, traffic lights, a small house, a tree, a screwdriver, and a small chair.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
My phone battery is dead.
Okay, I'll take you to find a charger right now. I found the charger in the living room. Come and charge your phone.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Can you help me find the little yellow duck?
Okay, I'm going to the dormitory building now to look for the little yellow duck. The little yellow duck was not found there. I found the little yellow duck on the football pitch. Task completed.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
What kind of flower is this?
This is a sunflower. It's an annual herb in the aster family.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Now that you are in an unfamiliar environment, please feel free to explore.
Okay, transforming into an exploration robot. Here we go. I saw a puppy playing football next to a red obstacle. A Ahead, we found the staircase, flanked by greenery and colorful ribbons. An orange chair appeared ahead,